Hello everyone, my name is Mahendra and I am a trainer of selling skills in ICICI Foundation. In this video, we are going to learn about office correspondence. But before we move on, let's understand what exactly is a correspondence. In any office, there are many parcels, letters and couriers that we receive and that is sent from other location to our office. And there are many documents, couriers, parcels that we send from our office to some other location. The couriers, parcels and other documents that we receive in our office, that is called inward correspondence.
When courier please sign and stamp. Thank you.
Kamesh, please come here. Kindly give this parcel to Mahendra sir and take signature also.
Yes, sir.
So in the video, we have seen the whole process of inward correspondence. We saw that an employee from a courier company comes and gives us a letter. We enter all the details, for example, date, time, from which location the courier has come and to whom it is supposed to be given. And we take the signature of the courier person. At the same time, the employee from courier company also takes our sign and stamp for his own reference. We have seen the entire process of inward correspondence in this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.